Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a cover photo on CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the profile section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on your name. So here you're going to click on the camera button. So we're going to click on change profile banner. So you guys are going to choose from your gallery, crop it and click on the right mark. So as you can see, it's changed your cover photo. Once you go back and go back again, you're going to see that it's changed. So as you can see, this is our new cover photo. So that's how you basically do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.